Darwin was a naturalist who developed a theory of evolution to explain biological change. In 1831, he embarked on a 5-year survey voyage around the world on the HMS Beagle. His studies of specimens around the globe led him to formulate his theory of evolution. During his trip, Darwin observed many different species of finches in different islands with significant variety in the beaks. He also observed that the tortoise neck length varied from island to island, and that the claw size of some iguanas was different.
Alfred Russel Wallace was a British naturalist, explorer, geographer, anthropologist, and biologist. He is best known for independently conceiving the theory of evolution through natural selection. His paper on the subject was jointly published with some of Charles Darwin's writings in 1858. Darwinism is a theory of biological evolution developed by the English naturalist Charles Darwin and others, stating that all species of organisms arise and develop through the natural selection of small, inherited variations that increase the individual's ability to compete, survive, and reproduce. On the origin of species by means of natural selection or the preservation of favored races in the struggle for life, published on 24 November 1859, is a work of scientific literature by Charles Darwin. Living forms are not static, but they evolve. Species change continuously. Some will originate and others will extinguish. Evolutionary process is gradual, slow and continuous, without sudden changes or discontinuous breaks.
Similar organisms are related and come from a common ancestor. All living organisms can be tracked back to a unique origin of life. Natural selection is key in two phases that explain the whole system. The first phase, invariability, the appearance of spontaneous modifications in individuals. The second phase, selection through survival in the struggle for life, the fittest individuals, the ones that were born with favorable spontaneous modifications to cope with the environment will have a better chance of survival, reproducing and creating offsprings with those advantages.